good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So, I'm Patrick Garcia from BSRT4C. So for today, I'll be performing and demonstrating all the single stage test. So, what is single stage test? So, this is a sub maximal test to correctly predict the VO2 max for the low and high maximal rate of the patient. So in this way, we can determine and distinguish that the patient will be able to cope up with this kind of intense exercises. So next up is to gather all the required equipment. So I have here the watch, the stethoscope for the vital signs. I have here the jot down notebook and the pen for the baseline data of the patient. So next up is to introduce yourself and explain the procedure to the patient. So, sorry. So, good morning. Good morning, sir. I'm Patrick Garcia. So, I'll be your respiratory therapist for today in this rehabilitation. So, for today, sir, kay atong buhaton kay we need to have a warm-up exercise in order for you to prepare your muscles for the upcoming physical or intense exercises. So next is, sir, that we have to have a intense exercise for at least 8 to 12 minutes for us to distinguish and determine on how you would be able to cope up with these exercises. So is that okay lang for you, sir? Okay, thank you, sir. So next up is to obtain the baseline data of the patient by interviewing him. Okay. So hi guys, hi sir. Good morning, sir. So what is your name, sir? First name, sir, Mickey Mouse. Last name, sir, Clubhouse. What is your age, sir? 23. What is your height, sir? 5'11". So what is your weight, sir? Okay, 28 kilos. So thank you, sir. So next up is to get the vital signs of a patient. So in my case, I don't have a pulse oximeter, so I will just use the stethoscope for us to determine the heart rate. So for 1 minute. Sir. So after I get the heart rate of the patient, we will now move on to the warm-up. So warm-up is in order for the patient to prepare his or her muscles before performing the physical or intense exercises. So sir, just follow me lang, sir, ha. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next, sir, is the leg, sir. So right side, sir. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then left leg naman, sir. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next is this, sir. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. exercises. So for today, I will next is to check the well-being of the patient. So by just asking him, so sir, are you feeling dizziness, sir, or nabakagibati sa mga lawas, sir? Aso, ay wala. Sige, thank you, sir. So next up is to check the vital signs again of the patient. So, sir, ito pong heart rate mo, sir, ha? Okay, thank you, sir, for your cooperation. So that is all on the single stage test. So next is that I'm gonna calculate the baseline data or the VO2 max and the heart rate of the heart rate of the patient. So thank you, sir. So the name of the patient is M.M. Clubhouse, age is 23, and the duration of the exercise time is 12 minutes. So for the baseline data, current weight in kilograms is 98, resting HR before the exercise is 71, final HR after exercise is 145 beats per minute. So to compute the HR max, we have here 0.685 times 23 equals to 15.75. So 205.8 minus 15.75 equals to 190.045. So determine the VO2 max, we have here 8.5, which is constant, minus 16.328 minus 17.256 minus 27.956. So all in all, we have 47.3 kilograms per minute. Next, to compute the target HR, we have here 145 minus 71 times 0.50 plus 71. So all in all, 108 beats per minute. And the remarks is that Mickey Mouse is feeling refreshed but exhausted at the same time. So thank you all again for listening for my computation, and that is all.